Hi, this is Ayman from English Grammar for All. In fact, what you have just read is right. There are more than 10 expressions for saying I don't know in English. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use each one of them correctly and accurately. So let's get down to business. Number one is not as far as I know. It is used for saying that something may be true, but you don't have enough information to know whether it is or not. As in this example, has James left the company? I haven't seen him for ages. Not as far as I know, but I haven't seen him recently either. Number two, your guess is as good as mine. It is used for saying that you know as little about something as the person who asked you about it. Like this example, what's Jessica doing? Your guess is as good as mine. Expression number three, it's anyone's or anybody's guess. It is an informal way to refer to something that nobody can be certain about. As in this example, what will happen next is anybody's guess. Number four, we have three expressions here. How should I know? How am I to know? Or how do I know? These expressions are used to say that it is not reasonable to expect that you should know something. As in this example, do you know when they will come home? How should I know? Number five, we have the expressions I have no idea and I haven't a clue. They can be used when you have no information and you are unable to guess the answer to a question. For example, who invented algebra? I haven't a clue. Number six, I haven't got the foggiest or faintest idea. These two expressions can be used when you want to emphasize that you don't know the answer to something. For example, how often do trains run to the city? I haven't the foggiest. I always go by car. Expression number seven, I wouldn't know. This expression is used for saying that you don't know the answer to something and that you are not the person who would know. For example, an officer is asking somebody about someone. Can you tell me where your roommate was last night? I wouldn't know. Now we have the expression heaven or God or goodness knows. It is used for saying that you don't know the answer to a question. As in this example, God only knows what will happen next. Number nine, don't ask me or search me. These two expressions can be used when you don't know something and you feel annoyed that someone is asking you about it. For example, why didn't he call me himself? Don't ask me, I'm only the messenger. Number 10, Dano. This expression is used for saying that you don't know something because it is impossible for anyone to know it. For example, do you want to come? I don't know. I might. But note here, some people think that this use is not correct English. Thank you very much for watching.